Hi guys, you're welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making fried yams. Who doesn't love fried yams? I know I do. So I'm going to start off with my yam. Of course, I already cooked half of this yam, and I'm going to be having this with some sardines and a fried egg and my black pepper xoxo. So first, what we're going to do is to cut the yam. Peel the yam. So I like to take a little more than just the skin off, and I think this just helps generally with the bitterness. Like if I don't want my yam to be very bitter. Right, so now that we are done peeling the yam, I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to cut it into the way I would like my fried yams to be. Okay, so this is the size that I'm going for. I'm not making them like chips. If I was, I would divide this into two and get a smaller size, but this is the size I'm going for because I just want the outside to be crunchy and the inside like eating a cooked yam, if that makes sense. So I'm going to cut all of the yams. And then I put it in my cold water because we're going to wash it. So once we are done washing our yams, I fill the bowl up with some water and I pour my salt. Generously salt your yams, guys. So I'm going to leave this to sit in the salt water for a few minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and then I will come back to fry them. So right now it looks like my oil is hot. So I'm going to scoop my yam.
And put it
right in there. Okay, so I like how it's done now. I'm going to take this out and put it on my paper towel.